Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do some refreshing of the engine bay for Patty, my Audi TT. I'm gonna do some degreasing and then some washing. Gonna probably repaint some of that manifold that I painted with wrinkle paint. I'm gonna show you what product I'm gonna use. And the other thing is I removed the bar here, and I'm gonna paint it with red caliper paint so it looks brighter red. It was sort of orangey type red and I never liked it that much, so I'm gonna do that and then apply some shiny product to the plastic parts in the engine bay and dress it up a little bit. So let's see how that goes. All right, before I start, I want to say that Cruz, my friend, came in yesterday and we redid the lines here, all the hoses that go into the catch can. So it's looking much better now. We found better hoses and some couplers that we needed. So definitely looks better. I did order some red hoses that I'm gonna be exchanging as soon as they come in. Ordered them from the UK, so that might take a while. But you can see already that it looks much better than in the video that was posted a few days ago. So that looks better already. And like I said, I'm gonna repaint some of the manifold cover here and then do some deeper cleaning in there. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, so the other thing I've done is repainted this strut bar with red caliper paint. I'm gonna show you the product that I use, but it looks way better now. It's like bright red instead of the orangey color that I had before. You can see it in previous videos. So I use a bicycle repair stand and invented something here so I could hang it and paint it. So it worked very, very well. So that's gonna go into the car as soon as I finish detailing and washing it. All right guys, so this is a product that I use for painting the bar. Use Caliper Paint VHT, high temperature. It's very bright red, and with all the heat in the engine bay, this is the right one to use. Very nice results. We've used it before in some calipers, and it worked really well. It doesn't come off, so I highly recommend it. All right, here we are again. I did some repainting of the manifold. This is the product I use, the Wrinkle Plus VHT wrinkle paint. It was just a refreshing of what I've done before. It had some scuff marks that I got through time, and now it looks really great. So maybe next job will be to get a charge pipe and then polish it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And I want to do something about the throttle body, which is not looking really good. So that's something, I don't know if that can be polished. I think I've seen some of those in some of the Instagram pages, but let me know what you think. I'm gonna proceed now to put back the bar and then all the plastic parts, and then do some detailing on that. You can see the strut bar in place with a nice red caliper shine to it now. It's a much better color to match the rest of the accents in the car. So now I'm gonna proceed to put the plastic cover and then we'll do some restoring of the plastic. All right, so I'm gonna proceed to restore the plastic parts. We used this product before. It's really good. It's called Trinova Plastic and Trim Restorer. I have it in a plastic bag because I have a bit of a leak here. What you do is you apply it with a sponge. I've done it maybe twice a year. It lasts a long time and it gives a very great shine to the plastic. So I'm gonna demonstrate how that looks and show you. All right. Okay, So what you do is you pour a little bit on the sponge, not much. Yeah, I'll put this down here. Hopefully you will be able to see the difference in shine. I'll do like half of this cover. Actually some of the original shine from when I did it 6 months ago is still there, but maybe you can see it in camera, maybe not. Yep, keep going, and it's just one application. And I mean, it looks, some people have asked me if this is some sort of carbon fiber when they see it all fully restored, because it, like the fiber in the plastic comes out very nicely. So that's what you do, and then you keep going through all the plastic parts. Maybe you can compare the shine here versus here. It's great, and it lasts like 6 months. Okay, so here's the end result. Maybe you can see the shine in all the plastic parts. Now it's ready for show. Patty's back, and a few things to do. I know, like I said, the charge pipe, I might do a polish one. I know I need to change this too, the coolant bottle, to get a new one. That's coming soon. But hey, you know, I'm super happy. It looks clean, not overdone, and that's what I wanted. All right, so remember to subscribe, and I'll see you around in the next video. Take care.